Welcome to another video by Boomers Bodges. Today we're looking at a Lexus 220D. We got an EGR fault and we're going to have a little look at how we can perhaps try and sort that out a little bit cheaper than the garage price. So, partially stripped down the engine, parts ready. So we take off the engine cover. This gives us access to the EGR valve. Okay, so firstly you can locate the pipe that's going from the EGR valve round to the back. Okay, there's two bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. So completely remove the one at the top. At the bottom is a bit awkward to get to, so I would recommend, you see there's a gap there, I've loosened it quite a bit so it's probably halfway in, halfway out. This is going to allow you to move the pipe out of the way without removing that bolt completely. So further over, I've already undone the bolts. You've got two nuts followed by two long bolts for the actual EGR valve itself. So this is the pipe we're talking about. Rather than take the pipe right away, leaving that bolt in a little bit allows us to leave the pipe on. Then we're not going to have the fiddly job of either losing the bolt or trying to faff around trying to do that bolt back up. The top one's real easy to get at. This moves the pipe right enough to get our EGR valve. Unclip the power. This will just slide off. Now we have our EGR valve off. I've already cleaned it out. What you'll find when you've got it off, this hole here comes completely blocked, and the holes on the back of here come completely blocked and stop the piston moving backwards and forwards inside. Also to look at is the hole on the manifold. That was also partially blocked, so you need to clean that hole out. Get some brake cleaner, clean out all of the soot and dust and grime in here, and now it's ready to go back on. Just going to put the phone down for a second. EGR valve is now placed back on. You can start doing the bolts back up. Hopefully now the piston isn't stuck, and the valve is faulty itself. This should sort out any EGR faults that you're having. Do all the bolts back up. Don't forget to locate that bolt back in there, and don't forget to put the engine cover back on. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, Boomers Bodges.